BluntCut MetalWorks, March 13, 2022. CBM 3V, 63 Rockwell, sharpness 18 degrees precise. Thickness behind the edge is 0.7. 7,000 of an inch. And the geometry, the tip fairly thin, so maybe I'm going to destroy the tip first. Cái chai này don't have much leverage here. But anyway, start out. The edge is sharp enough. Sorry about the wind noise. Oh man, 600 grit edge, diamond, kind of dull. Let's see how it chops. Some fairly hard, you can see, and ugly. Maybe not as hard as this is. I don't know what that wood is, some sort of thing, but this is eucalyptus. Compared to 2x4, sharp. All right, quick sanity check. No problem. Argentine lignum vitae. Extremely hard, can't get away. Also, there have a lot of oil, so sometimes things stuck on the edge, but no problem. This is Argentine lignum vitae block here. Going to have some damage. Maybe I will cheap hit to the front instead, so that I willing to lose some of the blade. Alright, that you do in more than 1, 2, 3 shots. Alright, there's a different them, but from baton to chopping a lot more uncontrolled. Should have went through the chopping for that. I don't know this what gauge is. In other words, yeah, cut the phone book fine. Hard to test. I don't want it to fly everywhere, so I want the construction to set up here. Okay, I'm going to use this part. It's going to lose some edge here. Very thin. You can free the frame there to see what happened. Right here. Yeah, there. That's where there's tiny, it caught tiny bit, but you can see it can slip right through. It's right there. Tiny, tiny bit. Oh yeah. Oh, there it is. The one part flew out, but this is the tip, and here the chop. Good thing that I got part of it right there. Okay, at least the tail come off with the front right here. This is 16D now. There a little bit, but you can see for this geometry right there, it cuts a little bit, but you can see I can slide forward the two nails. And so what other tests would be, I mean, basically, I mean, how much it can bend, it can do something. The tip is pretty thin, but that was a fail. Anyway, yeah, let's looking for something. These are too uncontrolled. Well, I mean, is it going to be abusive? I'm not really sure. You know, what kind of test I would doing? An old brick. Oh, this is pretty solid brick. All they did was a little dimple. These are just compressive strength. I think the lateral is the one that we, you know, that would be, say, anyway. I guess I'm not going to snap this blade. And, oh yeah, the brick things. I got one more, couple more pieces here. Let's slide it through and see what happened, huh? Okay, star. It will catch. Okay, let me go to the front again. Here, the front. Catch a little bit there, but I think the paper is getting wonky right now. See, nail mark, the other wire mark, rock mark out here, tip, a little blunt, but you know, Here the edge after the test, and I will zoom it in now to the maximum. And you can see there the one of the nail chop, 16D nail chop. This tick mark here is 0.5 millimeter, and you can see the sharpening bevel here. And back here is a little convex. I mean, I'm using the slack belt right here. But anyway, basically the it's 7,000 or 0.18 millimeter thickness behind the edge here, and the other nail chop is right here. And move over here, there's a 3 or so chop, probably on top of the chop into the rock. I think these are the rock chops. You can see a bunch of little lines, but where it's a solid little thing, maybe without a little, maybe there are the wire. But you can see how the sand and the grit here worn out the edge a little bit here, and some of the thing here is, you know, probably some more be chopping. But let's look at the tips. You can see here the tip right there, some brick still on here, but you can see this how the curve meet. The tip is intact. Thanks for watching.